Ngwabe finally responded after being dragged and called a bad mother. So people are currently dragging Mangwabe saying Ogote, Mangwabe, she's not a great mother after watching Utano Nestembo season 8 episode 27 Ogutethisa Umawande her second child. Guys, we know that Mangwabe une firstborn from the previous relationship base une second born and the third born no Musamseleko. Guys, if firstborn yakhe no Musamseleko, I already say not a firstborn, but it's second born yake anayo nomusamseleko Umawande. Guys, let me tell you what happened. So last night on Uthando Nesithembu season 8 episode 26. So guys, the whole family is sitting at the fireplace busy burning marshmallows and biscuit. Umnini, he's leading as a server for the marshmallows and you know what, and biscuit, guys. So Ulwandle gets into the fire while Umini tells everyone to put their medical aids ready. Then Umusamseleko retires to go to sleep while the whole family stays and starts singing. While Owami Matele's daughter stood up and sang, guys, the Zulu dance. You guys, we know one thing about Owami, guys, she's very good. And then Umawande, Mangwabe's daughter, tried to dance. Unfortunately, guys, it did not work out for her. Umawande, guys, she's very shy. I'm not gonna lie. Even on the data section, you can see she doesn't talk a lot. As Umawande started dancing, she started crying. Utobile, being a good mother, decided to try to show Umawande how to dance. She even went to Umawande to say, it's okay, it's fine. There's no need for you to dance. You know, you will try next time. Hi, Umangwabe, guys, I did not waste time as an African mother. Umangwabe went straight to Mawande. As Mawande, she was busy crying. Umangwabe was like, ukhalelani ngizokushaya ungaqali ukhalelani. So guys, the people are not very happy the way Umangwabe was talking to Mawande in front of everyone. Even Bilo went to Mawande and acted as a sister, as a big sister. Even Mawande on the data section, she did say Ogoti Yena, Nompile, they do have a great relationship as a big sister. She was just there to say, I'm sorry, it's fine. So guys, today Umangwabe decided to post a picture yake Mawande with the caption, I love her so daily, mini vision of me. So people are saying, what now? You are feeling guilty. No wonder why you decided to post Mawande, guys. If there's one thing I will say, Ogutethisa, you know what, guys, it's love. It shows to go to she cares on Mawande, guys. You know, you don't need the type of a parent guys, when we are color. So guys, we know that we do have child like Mawande, they do cry. We just need our love and care for us, guys. That's the only thing that we need to do. So I don't see anything wrong Umangwabe ayen. I think that I would say Umangwabe, she's wrong. Ukumthetisa in front of everyone. She could have just took her aside and talked to her. But we know that our African parent, guys, and as umzali, you have a way of raising your kids, and we cannot judge Umangwabe, guys, as if Tina we are doing perfectly. We know that Nati yes Lula Lento. So for Mangwabe, guys, I don't see anything wrong. So guys, Umangwabe uyamthanda, guys. Ukumthetisa, it shows that we are a tanda in Ganzak. Umangwabe, guys, loves her children. Let's not lie. But anyway, guys, let's have in the comment section. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Easter. You know, happy Easter is Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.